Bon Beatty, thank you for joining me on an unboxing video. I don't do a lot of unboxing videos, but I got this DJI Osmo Action for the Adventure combo, and I wanted to unbox it for you guys. And here's what's going to happen. This is just going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to show you what's inside, and then we'll do some tests on it, and that'll be a future video coming up. We'll try it out. So here we go. The DJI Osmo Action 4, you can get it in different packages. You can get just the camera that comes with like a battery and a couple adapters. I chose the Adventure combo because this particular combo comes with a lot of really cool stuff. It comes with an extension rod, which is cool. It comes with 3 batteries and a fast charge battery case, and that's really what I wanted. I wanted the batteries. I wanted the case. Now, like I said, I'm not really an unboxer, so we're gonna try this and see how it goes. It does look like it's packaged, kind of Apple-esque a little bit, but bear with me as I don't usually unbox things in front of a camera, and watch me fail. Delight in my failure, folks, as I try and figure this out and make this. Maybe I'll do this. ASMR. We're just gonna rip the bandage off here, okay? Plastic off of this thing. Now look, I have used a lot of different cameras, mostly GoPros in the last few years. I'm upgrading actually from a GoPro Hero 8. This is a pretty big upgrade for me. But what really sells me on this is the fact that this camera is waterproof to 18 meters, and that's like about 60 feet. So why does that matter to me? Well, if you watch this channel, you know that I am an underwater explorer, an adventurer, perhaps. And so having a camera that I don't have to put a case on, big advantage, because it's a pain in the butt when you have to take a camera out to, say, change a battery, and then a little bit of moisture gets in, and then it fogs up. I know you can get the little wicking things. It's a problem. So most of the time when I'm snorkeling, scuba diving, I'm not deeper than 60 feet. So I feel pretty comfortable with this. Okay, so we've got the Action Osmo, and we've got some accessories here. Yeah, like I said, this is the Watch Mat Struggle. Oh, look, there's a little tab. Makes it real easy to do that. All right, let's set you aside for now and see what's inside this little accessory pouch here. We've got, don't eat that. Do not eat, throw away. Desiccant. Sounds terrible. We've got here a little USB-C charging cable. Okay, cool. We've got a little adapter here. Now, one of the cool things about the Osmo Action camera is that it's got this really cool way to attach accessories with magnets, which makes it really fast and really convenient. And this is where the magic happens, right here, apparently. So we're going to find out how well that works. We've got in here, this is the fast charging battery case. I love this because I like to cruise. As you know, if you watch this channel, this is a cruising channel primarily. And so the more compact, the more organized I can be with charging things, the better off I am. And this should make my life pretty easy. Let's see what we've got here. We've got a button here. Oh, I guess that tells me that my batteries are not completely charged. This should just pop open, and there you go. 1, 2, 3 batteries. Supposedly, this camera gets really good battery life. I want to say, like, they claim in optimal conditions like 160 minutes, I think. It's better than GoPro. I know that. That's what I know. I don't know all conditions, but I haven't tested it or anything. But there you go. There you go. Anything else in here? We've got, let's see what this is here. A little lens cover, which my understanding with this, because this confused me when I was doing my research. I'm not a camera expert, okay? Is you can put this on if you take the lens that comes with it off, like there's a glass kind of protective lens. You can put this on, but then it's not waterproof. So I don't know that I'll use that. All right. Let's get what else in here. I'm going to pull the camera out, but I'm not going to take that out yet because we've also got this stick. Okay, so we've got the stick here, and I have selfie sticks. Why do I need another selfie stick? Do I need another selfie stick? Well, I do, because one, it comes with this package, so why not? But also, I can get it out of the box, but this is not a box. Not a box. Also, this has the really cool, that's interesting. It's got the really cool ability to be, I guess it doesn't have the magnet. I thought I had the magnet on it. Never mind, I don't know what I'm talking about. But you can put this on here. I don't know where the screws are that go to this. I haven't found those yet. And then it just should attach to the bottom of the camera. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. And it does spin that, spread out. 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. Oh God. Okay. Yeah, where's the peg for this? I don't know. Maybe it's in this box. This just says camera, Osmo Action 4. It doesn't actually say camera. So I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out, because I thought there was a second adapter. This is probably what you get if you just order this camera by itself. So there's probably other things in here. So let's see. That's the camera. Here we go. Okay. All right. So we've got, what do we got? We've got, you've got, no, don't do that, Matt. We have a case, a housing. Oh, there we go. There's our pins and stuff. This is like a protective housing, but also, it's my first time getting my hands on one of these. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. Also, besides giving a little protection, it's got the little magnet diddly-do on it. Look at that. Boom. Okay. Let's see. I think there's buttons pressing the camera, but that's a pretty, yeah, that's a good tight grip right there. And then, there's buttons on the side of this. Boom. The power magnets. So then we've got in here, we've got another accessory. Let's see what we've got here. Looks like another magnet adapter. So little and small. That's little, right? Yeah, that's, there you go. I also know that the little DJI logo, I think, goes towards the front of the camera. I don't know if that's the way I did it on that other one, but that's the way it goes. So I've been led to believe. And then you've got a little adhesive with just a little adapter. I don't care about that. But, you know, that's me. Now, look, I got this because I needed to upgrade because, again, Hero 8, which is great. I have 3 of those, actually. Long story. But also, I wanted a new camera that I could take on cruises to do some vlogging and stuff like that. And I thought this would be a good option for that. All right, so these pins, we're all familiar with those, and they, let's see, okay. Yeah, just attaches, like, we all know how that works, right? Here's the camera. This is what we all came for. This is the show right here. This is the camera, the DJI Osmo Action Quattro. Now, this thing's a little bit smaller than a GoPro. Like I said, right now, the GoPro Hero 11 is out only. Supposedly, the Hero 12 is coming out soon. I'm sure it is. And it may have a bigger sensor than this and stuff. I don't know. There's a lot of rumors. I don't know what's true. But this camera is a little bit smaller. I like the battery life. I like the depth that it can go to. Oh, that was a fun sound. I don't know if that came up on camera, but and I like the adapter. And I like the fact that people apparently don't have problems with it just stopping because it overheats, because that's a problem I've had with my GoPros. I've lost a whole scuba dive footage because my GoPro like just refused to stay on, which was super annoying. Anyway, yeah. So this has the buttons here, and you push those. Oh yeah, I can feel it. It's so attractive. And you gotta like get it to lock in. There we go. It's got a satisfying little pop. Boom. Now what's cool about this is I can attach this here, right? Now I can attach it on here, and bear with me momentarily. So now I've got it here, you know, weird angle, Matt, but anyway. And then if I want to change it out, I don't have to unscrew this GoPro. I just push these two buttons, pop, and it's right off of there. And I can put it on my other accessory. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, I'm not going to actually, maybe I'll fire it up. You guys want me to fire it up? Let me see if I can figure out how to turn it on. I'm not going to actually show you any footage in this video, but look for a future video to come out soon. I know those of you that follow the channel, like, do you really mean? Yes, I think so. Battery goes in, closes up, turn it on right there. Something's happening. Something's happening. Okay, it's going to prompt me English. It's got a touch screen. Oh, it's talking to me. It's got a touch screen on the, I guess I'm not going to do this right now because I got to go through all that, on the front and the back, which is pretty groovy. So I'll get it set up and then look for another video to come out soon, and that will show some footage and at least a little bit of test footage. Look, there's a lot of videos on this camera right now, so go check them out. But if you're interested in a camera for cruising underwater, that's what I'm going to be using it for. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, you know, blah, blah, blah. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a fantastic day.